In this video, we are unboxing and replacing the left front door window regulator for the Honda Civic EK. The left front window regulator. The following are the tools used for replacing the left front door window regulator. Tape. Small flathead screwdriver. Medium Phillips head screwdriver. Trim panel pry tool. Small 10mm long socket. Small electric impact wrench. Open the left front door. Using the trim panel pry tool, remove the speaker cover from the top of the door panel. Using the Phillips head screwdriver, remove the retaining bolt from the interior door handle. Using the trim panel pry tool, work along the edges of the door panel to pop it off. Using the trim panel pry tool, remove the trim cover around the interior door handle. Using the Phillips head screwdriver, remove the switch retaining bolt. Remove the power window switch assembly. Unplug the electrical connector. Continue using the Phillips head screwdriver. Remove the door panel retaining bolts. Slide the interior door handle to the side. Pull out the connector. Using the small flathead screwdriver, release the locking tab on the interior door handle cable. Remove the cable. Remove the door panel. Feed the wiring harness through. Plug the window switch connector back in. Roll the window glass all the way up. Use the tape to secure the glass. Using the small 10mm long socket with the small electric impact wrench, remove the glass bracket retaining bolts. The glass bracket retaining bolts are accessible through the two round holes at the top of the door. Turn the ignition on and press the window switch. Separate the regulator from the glass bracket. Unplug the window regulator motor connector. Using the small 10mm long socket with the small electric impact wrench, remove the window regulator motor retaining bolts. Using the same tool, remove the window regulator retaining bolts. The last bolt with the hole in it does not need to be fully removed, just loosen the last one. Pull the regulator out from the door. Here's the comparison of old versus new left front window regulator. The reason we are replacing the regulator is because the old one has damaged cables, causing noise during operation. Before installation, transfer the retaining bolts from the old regulator to the new one. Feed the new window regulator into the door through the access hole. Align the motor mounting holes and install the retaining bolts. Feed the motor connector through the hole. Align the regulator mounting holes to install the window regulator. Install the retaining bolts. Using the small 10mm long socket with the small electric impact wrench, tighten all the window regulator retaining bolts. Plug in the window regulator motor connector. Secure the connector. Turn the ignition on and press the window switch upward. To move the regulator up, align it with the glass bracket. Using the small 10mm long socket to assist, install the glass bracket retaining bolts. Using the small 10mm long socket with the small electric impact wrench, tighten the glass bracket retaining bolts. Remove the tape. Turn the ignition on. Press the window regulator switch button. Test the window regulator to confirm it's installed correctly. Unplug the window switch connector. Feed the window switch harness through the door panel. Align with mounting holes to install the door panel. Align the door panel with the clips to secure the door panel. Install the interior door handle. Align the cable with the mounting hole and install the retaining clip. Plug in the electrical connector. Slide the interior door handle and push it to the left to lock it. Plug in the window switch connector. Using the Phillips head screwdriver, install and tighten the door panel retaining bolts. Install the power window switch. Continue using the Phillips head screwdriver. Install the switch retaining bolt and tighten it. Install and tighten the interior door handle retaining bolt. Install the interior door handle trim cover. Align with the mounting holes. Install the trim plate on the door panel. Close the door.